Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change languages, region, time zone in any Realme devices. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings. After that, scroll it down so that we have option of system here. Then tap to system. Guys, as you see, we have option of date and time. So just click on date and time. And then if you want to set it automatically, all you guys have to do just enable this. And if you want to set it manually, so just disable it and then go to date and set it manually. Like that, go to time and then set it manually. So this is how we can set date and time. After that, if we're talking about languages, so just go to languages and input, and on the very first we have option of languages here. Just tap to languages. After that, if you guys want any other language, so just click on add a language and then select any language which you want to add. Let me add French. If you want to change the language, all you guys have to do just long press this double dash and then swipe it up so that the language will be changed. Now go back. As you see, the language is now changed, and if you want to change it again, all you guys have to do just go to languages and then again long press double dash and then swipe it up so that the language will be changed in English. So this is how we can change language in any Realme device. And if you're talking about region, so we have option of region here. So just tap to region, and here we have many regions like India, United States, China. If you want to change it to India, just select India, and if you want to change it to China, just select China. So this is how we can change region in any Realme device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.